Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff of Baton. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, yesterday on the announcements, I talked about the importance of setting goals for yourself and think about what it is you want to be able to accomplish throughout this week at school. You were asked to clarify your outcome. And if you remember, that is our O up here in E plus R equals O. What is it you want to be able to do? What goals do you have for yourself? Was that something that you did? Did you take the time yesterday to think about what it is you want to be able to do during this week of school, what you want to be able to accomplish? Okay. What are the outcomes you're trying to achieve? What is it you want to do? Remind yourself of that. If that's something you did, we don't want to just think about it the very first part of our week and then hope it happens throughout the week. When you have a goal that you're working towards, when you have some things you want to be able to achieve, you have to remind yourself and keep clear in your brain what that outcome is each and every day that you're working towards it. That's how you're going to be able to reach that goal and achieve that outcome. Okay. So start thinking about again, what was it you said yesterday you wanted to get better at this week? Now, if this was something that you didn't do yesterday, it's time to start thinking about it now. What goals do you want to set for yourself? And once you have those goals clear, whether you remember what you came up with yesterday, or if you're coming up with something today, continue being relentless all throughout today and working towards them. And then tomorrow, when you're back here in school and you're back getting going with your work, clarify those outcomes once again. Remember what those goals are. Keep them fresh in your mind throughout the week. So that way you're giving above the line responses towards achieving those outcomes each and every day. And if you're working hard each and every day at those goals, you're going to be getting better every day at each one of those goals. And you'll be able to achieve those outcomes that you're working towards. They're going to help you to be the best version of yourself. So let's get going. Let's get started today and all work hard towards being the best versions of ourselves. And then let's also work together to make this a great Tuesday of school at Baton. And now will you please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Baton Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Baton Memorial Elementary School, we work together to do great things for others. We have a relentless pursuit of growth to get better every day. We own it. We own our actions and choices. We want to be the best versions of ourselves. Well, thank you, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 26th, 2021. For lunch today, it will be a cheese quesadilla, refried beans, fruit, and milk. We don't have any birthdays to celebrate today, but we do have several birthdays that we missed yesterday. So we want to make sure that we have some belated birthdays up here. And we want to say happy belated birthday to Seven Page, Haley Fletcher, and Archer Holman, who all had birthdays yesterday. And we had a miscommunication and didn't get them put on the announcement. So we want to make sure we recognize them. Hope they had a great day yesterday celebrating their birthday. And we'd like to just say happy belated birthday to them here today. And on to our other announcements for the morning. First, we want to say congratulations to Oakley Shearberg for passing the multiplication facts, as well as Zeta Willoughby and Parker Shimming for passing the division facts on the extra math program. That's all in Mr. Ferdinansen's math class. Keep working hard, third grade students. Keep getting better each and every day at those math facts. Another announcement, you can see a short video taking place on the bottom of the screen here. The Great Kindness Challenge is kicked off this week. Now, Mrs. O'Neill, our intermediate counselor, has a checklist for all the intermediate students to work on to help spread kindness, and you can find that in the Google Classroom. And the Great Kindness Challenge gives us a good excuse to continue being kind to one another. And if you're interested in finding more out about that, the checklist just gives you some great ideas of how we can treat others with respect, how we can make others feel good, how we can do great things for others. And, and I think this goes along really well with the behaviors that we try and work on here at Baton. Spreading kindness is a way for us to all work together. And I think that's a great thing to take part in. So again, check Mrs. O'Neill's Google Classroom for those checklists. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. So please remember, we're going to work hard to learn from mistakes, get better every day, make it a great Tuesday, Baton.